We packed it all into the Quantum CR24. Theater seats, a booth dinette, and plenty of room for great adventures. And that's what makes this Quantum a Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
The CR24 is all about having a great time every time. So you'll find a comfy pair of theater seats. This is where you want to put your feet up for the game or movie on the TV with Blu-ray player. Grab a seat at the booth dinette. Connect to the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender and stay connected with friends, family, or even work on the road. Or have friends over as the captain's chair swivels so there is always room. And if you're up for an overnight guest, the dinette makes into a bed and you have the over-the-cab bunk. The CR24 provides you with a fully equipped kitchen, a flip-up countertop extension, large stainless steel single-bowl sink, 2-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and your double-door fridge. In the bathroom, from the shower with skylight over to your stainless steel sink, the CR24 has all the amenities you need, and the 360 siphon keeps your Quantum fresh. You have great natural light with all these windows in the bedroom, along with a full-size bed, TV, and nice-sized closet with valet rod for easy access to your favorite jacket. When you sit in the driver's seat with steering wheel mounted controls, you can tell it's going to be a great drive. The touchscreen radio with navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, and Bluetooth connectivity has all the right tools for a fun road trip. Riding on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, the Quantum is easy to drive. The CR24 is also easy to set up, so you can spend time under the power patio with LED lighting. Grab a movie on the TV with Bluetooth soundbar, or simply pass the time enjoying the company you're with. Fun is waiting. Go have some. This is the Quantum CR24. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.